Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be studying section 3.1c, that is vector products. So vector products, if we have to multiply two vectors p and q, then three conditions are to be followed. The first condition is that the line of action of v vector is perpendicular to the plane containing p and q. So the vector v, that is the product of p and q, will be perpendicular to the plane. This is the plane. This is the plane containing p and q. So the vector v will be perpendicular to the plane containing p and q. Second, the magnitude of vector v is equals to pq sine theta. So v vector has the magnitude pq sine theta. Pq and the sign between them, that is theta. Theta is this. Then the third condition is that the direction of v vector is obtained from right hand rule. So what is the right hand rule? Right hand rule is simply, you put, if you have to do p cross q vector, then put p vector, your hand in position of p vector and curl your fingers towards q. So I'm curling my fingers towards q, then it will come out of the plane of paper. So that will be the direction of v vector. Then what is the mathematical representation of vector product? So mathematical representation of vector product is written as v vector is equals to p vector cross q vector. Now because there is a cross multiplication sign between them, or it is also called cross product. So vector product is also called cross product. Now we will see the properties of vectors. So there is a certain property of vector, and if we have p vector and q vector here, and if we replace this q vector by this vector in such that this q dash is on the line parallel to p here. This is O, suppose. So OQ dash, and suppose this is S. QS is parallel to OP, then the vector product will be same as P cross Q will be same as P cross Q dash. Now we will come to vector products. Now we will come to properties of vector. So the very first property is that it is not commutative. Not commutative vector means p vector cross q vector is not equals to q vector cross p vector. And if we have to equate the both sides, we have to multiply one side by minus. That is, p vector cross q vector equals minus times q vector cross p vector. Then the second property is distributive property. So the vector product follows distributive property, that is, p vector cross bracket q vector plus q vector, q1 vector plus q2 vector equals p vector into q1 vector plus, there is a plus, mind here, p vector cross q2 vector. So that was a distributive property. Vector product is distributive in nature. And the third property is associative property. So associative property is p vector cross q vector cross s vector, and we put a bracket here. Then this is not equal to p vector cross q vector cross s vector. So that was all for today. In the next lecture, we will continue from here. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it among your friends. Thank you.